Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. I hope you're having a safe and fantastic day. In today's video, we will be showing how we created this beautiful and inexpensive canvas wall art design. This can be used anywhere in your home or a great gift idea. Also, if you haven't seen our latest video, please check it out on our channel. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when we upload a new video. And to all our returning subscribers, thanks for watching another DIY video. So if you want to see how we created this beautiful canvas wall design, just keep on watching. I'm starting off with this canvas I purchased from Michaels. It comes in a pack of 2 and the size is 18 by 24 for only $19.99. And you can find them at Walmart as well as Amazon. And these are the items I will be using to create my wall art. Most of these items were purchased from Dollar Tree as well as Michaels. And I'll leave a complete list of all the items used in the description box below. Starting off, I'm mixing some white paint with a small amount of black paint to create a gray color that I wanted to start with. Now I'm starting to apply the paint to the canvas using even brush strokes. I also painted the sides of the canvas. Then I continued the same pattern on the next canvas. I'm adding some more acrylic paint and mixing it in to continue applying it to the top of my canvas for more even coverage, and I'm making these lines in the middle of the canvas as well with the brush. I applied my silver glitter to the top of the canvas before the paint dries. Now I'm adding the acrylic paint to the bottom of the canvas and stroking upwards with my brush on both canvases. and I'm applying the same silver glitter to the bottom before the paint dries. I am using my paintbrush to create some icicles at the bottom with the darker shade of paint I used before for better contrast. I decided to add some large icicles in the center of my canvas, and I had to revise my original plan on my design as I ran out of white paint. Lesson learned, always make sure you have enough supplies to work with. So here I have decided to add some Mod Podge to the center instead, and adding my crushed glass adds some more glitter as well. So I'm going to continue the same pattern on the other canvas as well to complete my look. And here is the finished look. I am so happy with this DIY. I think it turned out beautiful. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. These canvases are so affordable and easy to make. Even if you make a mistake, there are always so many ways you can creatively correct it. So I encourage everyone to try it out to create your own canvas wall decor. We have our Instagram page. Check us out, send us a DM or tag us in your post of your own Glam DIY creations. We love to see it. And make sure you follow us. I hope you enjoyed watching this week's video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And as always, guys, be safe and may God bless.